Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word exterminating. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The restaurant hired an exterminating service to rid the building of a cockroach infestation. Exterminating refers to the act of completely destroying or getting rid of something, particularly pests or unwanted organisms, through lethal methods. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.